How to deactivate your account on Roblox, or how to deactivate your Roblox account. To do this, just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Roblox first like this, and after opening your Roblox, you should go and click here on more. So right now you go and click on settings, and you will find this list. Go right now and click on privacy and content restriction. You're gonna see right now this list here, guys. You should go and click here on account deactivation and deletion. Click deactivate account, click deactivate, read all this and click deactivate, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.